Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Well, as promised, today I'm going to show you how to turn this wiffle ball into a Baby Yoda bassinet. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project, you will need a regulation wiffle ball, either baseball or softball sized, a hot glue gun, a box cutter, and bottle cap. And for a base, a tape roll. So when I say a base, I mean a cutting base, and that's because we're going to want this so that it doesn't go sliding around. And when I say regulation, I mean not one of these kind, because you can get these that have the little balls in them. These are kind of more like a training ball. These are your regulation wiffle balls. They have these little wiffle holes. That's more what you want. You don't want this one right here. I'm going to basically just cut with my box cutter halfway around the wiffle ball. And then just from this side to this side, I'm going to cut across the top here. You can see why it's nice to have something to hold this in place for you. There we go. So there's my bassinet. And now all I need to do is create the little place for Baby Yoda to sit. So I just take a little bit of hot glue on the bottom here of my bottle cap. And I'm going to place this right in the center. And that's all there is to making the bassinet. I'm going to just take my little Baby Yoda, stick him on in there. There he is sitting in there. And I'll show you what he looks like in the smaller wiffle ball as well. So that's Baby Yoda in his large one. And this is Baby Yoda in the small one. He's a little bit more stuffed in this one, but you might like that look better. And there you have it, your very own Baby Yoda bassinet. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.